Single-piece flow or one-piece flow. Being part of lean manufacturing, single-piece flow is the practice of producing goods one by one. One-piece flow promotes continuous improvement of the production line to minimize expenses, reduce waste, and achieve defect-free output. So, what is single-piece flow? Single-piece flow is the sequence of a product or service through a process that is the single unit is produced at a time. Single-piece flow is the opposite of batch production. In batch production, there is a large number of products are processed at once. Single-piece flow is focused on the manufacturing of the product itself rather than the waiting, transportation, and storage of the product. Benefits of single-piece flow. Single-piece flow detects defects earlier and more accurately. In single-piece flow, we can get more flexibility for customization and meeting customer demands. It reduces costs by eliminating various lean wastes. In single-piece flow, we can easily predict the shipment timing.